Forgotten username recovery failed on Qoins Fix. If you've been trying to recover your Qoins username and keep failing, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because Qoins now uses your registered email or phone number rather than a traditional username. Guessing usernames rarely works and just wastes time. Here's the step-by-step solution. Step 1. Open the Qoins app or website and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email or phone number linked to your account. This is how Qoins securely identifies you. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email or phone, you'll need to verify your identity. Prepare your full name, date of birth, and any account-specific information. This ensures only the rightful account owner can regain access. Step 3. After verification, follow the prompts to reset your password. Check all email folders, including spam or junk, if the recovery email doesn't appear immediately. Step 4. If username recovery still fails, contact Qoins support directly. Explain the situation and provide the requested information. Their team will guide you through the recovery process safely. The surprising truth is that losing a username does not lock you out forever. Qoins switched to email and phone-based login to make access simpler and more secure. By following these steps, you regain access quickly. Focus on your registered email or phone, verify your identity when needed, and you'll be back using Qoins confidently and without any hassle.